So you thought you were safe. Guess again. All right, folks. Why do I say that? Well, there's always kind of a common thought out there, especially amongst truck owners, that going to the Bank of Toyota is essentially kind of a financial safety net. And what's not really taken into account is all of the associated costs that go along with that. People don't really think about the big picture, and they just assume, oh man, I'm going to buy this Toyota Tacoma and sell it for, what I paid for it like 4 or 5 years down the road, and then just, rinse and repeat, right? Not exactly the case any longer. And I don't know if it ever really had been. Having owned these trucks, many of them, the operating costs were kind of surprisingly high. And let's get into what those consist of, folks. So based on DMV data, not me making stuff up, is the average purchase price before taxes and all the other fees and nonsense is $42,281. Right? We're going to talk upfront costs here. So with the purchase price of $42,281, the average taxes and registration fees and all of that nonsense that folks like these people, they charge about $1,300 in fees just on every transaction. And so we have about $3,393 for that. Now you're going to pay loan interest. And assuming on the lower end, you have good credit and all that jazz, you're probably going to be about 5.9% right now on these trucks. You might get a better deal or you might get a little bit worse deal. So that's going to cost you about $2,494. You might want some accessories. You see, like it's got the running boards on this and all that jazz, right? We'll just put that at $500 because some people are going to get accessories, some are not. And so the total upfront cost going to be a lot less than this one. Jesus, $60,893 for this thing. This is freaking TRD Sport. Like that's so ridiculous. But anyways, your total upfront costs are going to be $49,268. So keep in mind, folks, like this is including fleet sales and all of the other kind of lower priced options. So you might find yourself spending a little bit more on your Tacoma purchase price, right? Now we're going to get into the running costs here. So your first year fuel cost, right? So right now the average is about $3.16, and we'll raise that about 3% a year. Fuel's been pretty stable lately. So on the low end, just your first year alone, you're going to end up spending about $2,257 on fuel. And that's averaging about 20 to 21 miles per gallon. So your 5-year total for fuel is going to be just shy of 12 grand. So $11,983. Now, insurance. The average insurance rate for a Toyota Tacoma is $136 a month right now. So we'll say that's going to increase about 6% a year, which is kind of the average insurance increase for a normal driver without any dings. Oil changes on the low end here. You're going to go full synthetic on the Tacoma, and you're going to spend about $125. And then you've got your filters, right? You're probably not going to change your filter every time you do an oil change, but we'll go like every other year on that. Those are about $50. And then you got to do some brakes, get your nice stopping power here. You can get a decent price on those. Sometimes you can do it for about $600, right? I've done brakes on plenty of Tacomas, and that's about what it cost. Fluids, right? Now you're talking diff fluid. You got to do your transmission fluid and everything because you're keeping this 5 years, 75,000 miles. So once you get hit to that 60,000 mile rate, you got to do quite a bit of service here. And so we're going to average about $300 a year. And I didn't include any repairs in here, folks, because we're looking at, a full warranty, hopefully, for the 5 years, bumper to bumper. You're going to go outside of it a little bit with your mileage, but on the safe side, we'll put in like $500, say $532. So now, based on just your total operating costs, you are at $26,054. Now you've got to think about depreciation, and people don't want to talk about that when it comes to the Tacoma. They're like, oh yeah, best resale in the world, right? Well, not really. So you're looking at a 38% depreciation rate on the Tacoma. So that's going to cost you roughly $16,067, right? For an estimated resale value of $26,214 from your original MSRP or purchase price. You're looking at your total upfront costs for your loan and your fees and accessories and so forth at $49,268. And then your running cost going to be $26,054. You got your deductions for your nice resale value when you go to trade this in of $26,214. So your total net cost, dun dun dun, is $49,108. Don't know about you, but that's a lot of money, to drive a car for 5 years. That's quite a bit of cash, in my opinion. So if you divide that by 60 over the span of 5 years, you are looking at $818.46 a month. Put in the comments if you think that's a good deal, a bad deal. Would you take that deal? Do you think that your money is safer elsewhere? There's some smarter moves out there, but if you need a truck, I think the Toyota Tacoma is still a relatively safe bet. It's not free though. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.